सनद बिल्डर्स एंड डेव्हलपर्स घर स्वप्ना पलीकडचे फ्लॅट prices starting at just 14.5 lakh near Dodamarg Court 800 meters from Goa Maharashtra border.
टॅक्स वेव केले, आम्ही पेनल्टी वेव केली, आम्ही मीटर फ्री दिता ते सुद्धा पेंडेमिक टाइम म्हणून आम्ही कांय जोडना म्हणून आम्ही तेंचे मान्य केले. ऑलमोस्ट 34 crores this government is going to spend ultimately in the installation of the meters. When such a thing is being done, where we have not listened to them. So this particular thing is an attempt being made to stall the installation of digital meters as I look at it. This is Goa Miles. Goa Miles is only a ruse and excuse being used not to install the digital meters. My humble appeal, आमचे सगळे टॅक्सीवाल्यांकडे खालती काय नाव मागता. If you have any grievance, please contact my director. He will fix a meeting with me in this very conference hall. Let us thrash it across the table. Not go and break something or park your taxi on the way as they are threatening or disrupt the normal flow of traffic. As it is, we are in pandemic times. There is a debate going on whether economy should run properly or we should keep everything open or we should again go for a shutdown. When this major debate is going on, when along with life we realize the importance of livelihood being maintained, they want to finish the livelihood of Goa, which is tourism now, mining having stopped. म्हणजे तांकां मातशें पूण काळजी ना. आदलेच संवसारांत तुमी रावता. You don't want competition. As I said earlier, it is like saying, आता तुम्ही ऑनलायन शॉपिंग करता ते टू डिफरंट शॉपिंग सायट ऑनलायन घरा कडेन तुजी हें पावता. हांवें एक शोरूम घायला, हांवें इतले पयशे खर्च केला, हांवें शॉप घातला, तुज्यान घेवपा जायना, हें आमी म्हणपाक शकता. खंयच्या संवसारान आमी रावता. ओन्ली वेन इट कम्स टू टॅक्सी पीपल, रुल्स शूड नॉट एप्लाय टू देम. हांव तांकां विचारता. सो तुमी गैरसमज करनाका, तुमी मातशे फुडले चिता. आमी इवन इन द पास्ट तांकां ऑल्टरनेटीव दिले. तुमकां दिसता गोवा मायल्स सारकें ना, तुमी तुमचें ओन एप घाला. वयल्यान गव्हर्मेंट एसिस्टन्स आनी फायनान्शियल हेल्पूय दिता तुमकां. म्हणजे तुमकां कॉम्पिटिशनूच नाका. तुमकां आदल्या संवसारान रावपा जाय. 1 वा 2 ट्रीप मारपाचे आनी ते ट्युरिस्टांक मॅक्सिमम चार्ज करपाचे आनी आमचें ट्युरिजम काबार जातलें अशें केलें. म्हणून हांव तांकां परत अपील करता, दुसरें सांगपाक सोदता. द Essential Services Maintenance Act, till May it is still in force. So taxi service is an essential service. Government will not hesitate to take action. Last time we had already started issuing notices for those who were participating in the illegal strike. आम्ही notice सुद्धा दिल्ली. Why their permit should not be cancelled? Because there is clear provision in the Motor Vehicle Act, and we will not hesitate to again issue them these notices and take action. Government will come down very, very strictly, very heavily, because we want this problem to be solved once for all. 10,000 taxis or 800 people or 1,000 people cannot hold the whole economy, the whole tourism business, the whole of Goa to ransom. They should realize. सद्दां आनी म्हाका तरी दिसना खंयचे स्टेटीन खंय एक कडेन अशें दादागिरी करून खंयचे प्रॉब्लेम केन्नाच सॉल्व जावपाक शकता आनी गोंयांत तरी जावपा ना. हें तेणी स्पश्टपणे तांकां समजणी येवपा जाय. ते आमचे एम्बेसेडर टुरिजमाचे. आमी तेंचे विरोध न्हू, हांव आजुनूय सांगता. मॅक्सिमम हांवें तांकां एकोमोडेट केला. ते टॅक्सीवाले आसून दी, बसवाले आसून दी. Whatever their genuine demands that we have considered. Moreover, even for purposes of revision of rates which they wanted, I have agreed. STA is going to meet shortly. But all issues are interrelated. Handing over of the counter at the airport, having a STA meeting to revise the rates, getting the digital footprint ready, NIC should be ready for backhand services, installation of the meters. हे सगळे simultaneously एक बरोबर जातले. आनी हें जावपाक थोडे दीस लागता. हांव वीक आनी म्हयने म्हणना, थोडेशे दीस लागता. बट मीनवायल वी कॅन ऑलवेज सीट अक्रॉस द टेबल एंड सॉल्व आवर प्रॉब्लेम. कितें आसा ते. नो नीड फॉर देम टू एजिटेट. सो again, to the press, I am appealing to them, come to the negotiating table and solve the problem. As far as the Kadamba, last time they strike kelle tena, Kadamba Transport Corporation, Transport Management Plan was in place. Mr. Ghate is here. He has given me a detailed plan how the Kadamba buses will operate. There will be no disruption. Major point is from airport to Kalangut and Kandoli in that side. And we had last time operated, now there are about 70 arrivals and departures. Last time they were 90. And the pandemic flight kami zala. So we have made all arrangements as far from the Kadamba side. Digital meters are ready for installation. Only from NIC, a few things are being discussed, are being finesse, to attain finesse and to do it properly. We are last moment, whatever patching up is to be done is being done. So that also will be a smooth thing once they decide to install the meters. Otherwise, I am afraid the courts, we are already in contempt of the High Court direction to the government. So we have no alternative but to take strict action. टॅक्सीवाल्यांनी समजून घेवपा जाय आदेश हायकोर्टान दिल्लो आसा. They will also be in serious contempt of the High Court if they defy the government and not with one excuse or other not to put the meters. They should also realize another thing. We cannot cancel. Governance is a continuous process. Even though tourism had brought Goa miles, आमच्यानी cancel करपा जायना आणि cancel करपा जायना ती परिस्थिती हे टॅक्सीवालेच हाडटा. आतां टुरिस्ट आमचे येता, फ्लायट आमचे येता, कोण तांकां हेल्प करता, कोण ऑपरेट करता? गोवा मायल्स टॅक्सीवाले. आमचे एअरपोर्ट युनायटेड टॅक्सीमॅन असोसिएशन आसा ते टॅक्सीवाले आनी हे बाकीचे स्ट्रायकार बसला. सो अशें केल्यार बाकीच्या चान्स तेच दिता, तेच परिस्थिती अशी निर्माण जाता की गोवा मायल्स अवश्य गोंयांक गरज आसा म्हूण तेच दाखयता लोकांक आनी सोय भितर टॅक्सी जाय म्हूण तेच आतां दाखयता. सो दे आर स्पॉयलिंग देयर ओन केस. They are spoiling their own reasoning as to why they want only their success. In the name of आमी गोंयकारपण, आमी गोंयकारांचेर एगेन्स्ट न्हू. इनफॅक्ट गोंयकारांक लागून हांवें 15 years डोमेसायल हाडला, बॅच हाडला, कंपल्सरी केला. हांव हेच्या आदी हेजे कॅन्सील केल्लो बॅच हांवें परत इंट्रोड्यूस केला. सो हांव तांकां परत अपील करता, करपा जाय म्हूण तुमी स्ट्रायक करनाका, करपा जाय म्हूण फाल्यां रस्ते बंद करनाका आनी समजू नाका आनी ही समजणी घेनाका की सरकार कांय एक्शन घेवपा ना म्हूण. बरे भाशेन आमी कितें इश्यू आहा जाल्यार सॉल्व करया. तेच भाशेन डिजिटल मिटराचें सांगलां, फेर हायकाचें हांवें सांगलां. एग्रिगेटर ऑल्सो देर आर रुल्स वीच आर डिफायन्ड. गोवा गव्हर्मेंट or any government cannot do just what they want. We will be operating strictly under the rules. If they flout certain condition, as I said, they are flouting at the airport by soliciting customers. 4-5 त्यांचे स्टाफ आसता. That is no way a aggregator should operate. Aggregator म्हळ्यार कितें? मोबायलाचेर तो फोन खूंय आसूं, आपण उमके फ्लायटीर पावता, आपल्या टॅक्सी उमके वेळार एअरपोर्टार जाय, आपली फ्लायट उमके वेळार पावतली. ते इन एंड अराउंड द एअरपोर्ट ते आसता. परत मोबायलार त्या ड्रायव्हराक फोन मारल्यार इमिडिएटली ते थिंगा येता. This should be the way the aggregator should operate, not operate through a counter, which I am very clear. And the order of ESMA is here before me. It is valid till 24th of May 2021. So we need not impose any new order. Our order is already in force as far as essential services are concerned. Show cause, I have a copy of a show cause notice which was issued last time, and because afterwards they fell in line, we had discontinued. We will not hesitate to take the same action. So let everything happen in a good way. My earnest appeal to them. We are very responsive. Anytime I am ready to meet them, let them contact my director. Director will contact me. आमी सगळे बसून कितें प्रॉब्लेम आहा ते सॉल्व करपाक रेडी आहा. पूण प्रॉब्लेम नासतना कंडिशन घालून तुमी पयले गोवा मायल्स कॅन्सील करा, मागीर आमी येवन बसतले, मागीर आनी कांय डिस्कशन करपाचें ना. आमी योग्य ते डिसिजन घेतले in the interest of tourism industry of Goa, in the interest of Goans who largely travel. Many people today travel also by Goa miles because they say it is much cheaper. And wherever aggregated taxis run by aggregator has come, in all the big metros, तुम्ही experience करा, तुम्ही गोंयच्या भायर गेला आसतले, how cheap it is. Previously, I know from Goa Southern in Delhi, my friends used to come to meet me. ते सांगताले 1000 रुपये लागतलो एकटो बरो पयस रावता, दुसऱ्या 600 रुपये लागतलो. तो म्हणटा आतां फकत 400 रुपये लागता. एकटो सांगता आपल्या 150 रुपये लागता. So you don't want Goans to enjoy this facility. You want to be fleeced, like what happens sometimes now. I don't want to go into that. एक पॉइंट आता सपोज सेक्रेटरिएट आपल्या दोर म्हणले, सेक्रेटरिएट सोन असेंब्ली कॉम्प्लेक्स ते सांगता मातशें थिंगा असेंब्ली कॉम्प्लेक्स तितलेच मुखार वचपाक आनी 500 रुपया अशें चलता. तुमकां खबर आसा, हांवें सांगपाची गरज ना. सो हें बंद जावपा जाय.
बेळगांव सारखी शॉपिंग आता गोंयांत शक्य फक्त बॉम्बे बाजारांत. बॉम्बे बाजार घेऊन आयला तरेकवार प्रकारच्यो साड्यो, लग्न समारंभ आणि वेगवेगळ्या सुवाळ्या खातीर खास साड्यो. त्याच बरोबर गिफ्ट करपाक 300 रुपयांच्यान साड्यो, सिल्क साडी 900 रुपयांच्यान सुरवात आणि लेहंगा 3000च्या रेंजी पासून सुरवात. शिलाई आणि एम्ब्रॉयडरीची खास सोय. तर आयजूच भेट दियात बॉम्बे बाजार, 18 जून रोड, पणजी. प्राचीन आणि कलात्मक वस्तूंचो खजिनो जे तुमच्या घरात घरपण हाडटले. देवी देवतांच्यो मूर्त्यो असो किंवा पूजेचे सामान, शोपीस असो किंवा तरेकवार प्रकारच्यो शोभेच्यो वस्तू, गिफ्ट करात किंवा स्वतःचे घर सजयात. आमचे डिझायनर शॉल आणि हँडीक्राफ्ट पळोवपाक मुजरत यात. आमचो पत्तो बॉम्बे बाजार, डिपार्टमेंटल स्टोर, 18 जून रोड, पणजी.
Handicraft shopping only at Bombay Bazaar.